It's not really going to sleep. It just thinks it is. Well, it is going to soon, but not right now. See, the eyes are circles now. Goodness gracious, they do the same noise. I really want the dinosaur one and the pterodactyl because those two walk. The one you want in the flower and the bear are hard to find. Well, there's more than just that. There's like a robot one. There's a lot of kinds of robot ones too. There's like a jellyfish one. There's a jellyfish one. There, it dropped finally. That took a long time. Yeah, that took a while to move. Okay, touch it. These two are making each other go. Sounds quiet. That means it's really dead. Hungry. They're hungry all over again. No, they're just tired. But they're going to sleep. No, they're hungry. But they just got unhungry. They just did.